Hey guys, we're here with the magic meter, so we're going to show you, beyond a shadow of a doubt, its original paint. So it's got to have the look, you follow? It's got to have all the physical, I can see it, indications of original paint, and it's got to have the magic right paint depth. They both got to match. If one or the other ain't matching, there's a problem. Because somebody can know the right paint depth and sand shit down, you follow? It always leaves details that it was fucked with. So you can't have any indication of sanding or alteration or too much buffing to get the right paint depth. Now, Harley paint, back in the day, it was sprayed. I've got the photos with giant fucking nozzles like this, 5-6-inch nozzles, when they went as fast as they could, because Harley didn't want to use any extra paint. A modern paint nozzle cannot paint, even with original paint out of the can, the same way. And even if you have it out of the can, Harley paint was baked. Out of the can today, it ain't baked, and it comes out thicker and different. It doesn't look the same at all. So Harley paint, it might be thinner because, you know, polishing or whatever, but it's always somewhere around, if it's not polished or anything, somewhere around 2.5, 2.8 to about 3.5, 3.8 microns. And maybe a little deeper here or there as they went whoosh whoosh back and forth. Or if you have a double paint like here, you're going to have double thickness. You follow me? So watch the magic happen. 1.16, 2.66. That proves, or is it 2.99? Sorry, I'm dyslexic, got it backwards. But no way, this is not factory custom paint. It's too thin. Didn't happen. There's no marks of sanding. It's been sitting forever. I've got a title from 1989, but nobody fucking cared. Here we go. 1.23, 1.07, 1.56, 1.16. So for all the naysayers, stick a big giant dildo up your fucking ass. This is a nice factory custom bike. End of story, end of conversation. Take it home to mama. See y'all.